Benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day. Push-ups are among the most effective exercises for muscle development. Many individuals challenge themselves to complete 100 push-ups daily for a month, yielding impressive results. But what effects do daily push-ups have? Will they aid in muscle growth? In this video, I'll handle these inquiries, so stay tuned until the end. It will be informative. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss the muscle groups that push-ups target. Development of target muscle groups. Primarily, push-ups are effective for developing the chest muscles. Multiple online accounts detail how people see considerable enhancements in their pectoral muscles after just 30 days of consistent practice. Additionally, those who perform push-ups notice improvements in their deltoids, triceps, and even biceps. This might seem unconventional since the triceps and biceps are opposing muscle groups. You might wonder, if the triceps are engaged, how can the biceps also be active? To clarify, the triceps are responsible for extending the elbow, which is exactly what's happening during a push-up. Meanwhile, the biceps serve a different purpose in this exercise. They help bring the shoulder toward the torso. Thus, push-ups are a comprehensive, multi-joint exercise that effectively engages a significant portion of the upper body. Push-ups increase endurance. In addition to visual transformations, performing push-ups can enrich your endurance. This increased persistence means you can handle other physical activities more easily while also experiencing improved functioning of your respiratory and cardiovascular systems. Furthermore, a growth in endorphins from exercising will likely leave you feeling happier and energized. The reasonableness of daily push-ups now. Is it sensible to perform push-ups to the point of fatigue every day? If someone sets a goal of doing 100 push-ups daily, especially if they haven't been working out regularly, they might need to break it down into multiple sets. However, it's not advisable to do push-ups every day to failure. This approach can lead to overtraining, which releases catabolic hormones and prevents muscles from properly recovering. Push-ups are relatively intense, and if you remain in anaerobic mode for comprehensive periods with the same muscle groups, it results in overload. A good rule of thumb is to avoid performing more than 80% of your maximum capability when doing push-ups daily. This process helps to condition your muscles and improves your cardiovascular health effectively. Daily push-ups can be included into your morning workout routine, and they come with a myriad of benefits. By practicing them every day, your arms, shoulders, and chest will grow stronger, tighter, and more muscular compared to the average person in your age group. Additionally, this routine encourages better circulation, heart function, and respiratory health, eventually aiding your overall fitness and longevity. How to perform push-ups correctly. So, how do you execute push-ups properly? First, pay attention to your pelvis position and maintain awareness of your body. Your body should form a straight line, without protruding buttocks or head. Then, apply the 90-degree rule. As you lower your body, your arms should create a 90-degree angle to your torso, and when pushing back up, raise your arms nearly fully. Keep your head aligned and focused on the floor. There are various push-up modifications, such as using your palms or fists. To ramp up the challenge, elevate your feet, making the exercise more difficult. One last thing to be remembered. It's worth noting that those who try to complete 100 push-ups daily often find the number manageable. However, performing them every single day poses a psychological challenge. If you aim for 100 push-ups daily, it's more tolerable to split this into smaller sets. For example, consider 5 sets of 20 reps rather than pushing yourself to failure in one go. If doing 100 push-ups is daunting, start with at least 20 each day, spread over multiple sets. Although there are countless videos online showcasing people gaining remarkable results by doing push-ups daily for 30 days, you will attain better outcomes while maintaining your health if you avoid overtraining. So, are push-ups worth including in your routine? Absolutely. Should you approach them thoughtfully? Definitely. By the way, feel free to share in the comments how many push-ups you can do in one set. I'm eager to hear your responses. Also, don't forget to check out other videos on my channel. The links are shown on the screen now. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.